Harry, Colwyn Bay made it difficult for you this evening, but your 2 goals secured the 3 points.
Yeah, before the game we knew Colwyn Bay were going to be a tough team to play against. You know, they've been in great form. So have we as well. So it was, you know, 2 teams in form. It was always going to be a good contest as well, and you know, buzzing to kind of get 2 goals and push us over the line as well.
Well, there was always going to be tough coming here tonight, especially on the run that Connah's Quay were on. Do you feel yourselves down when the goals are conceded?
Yes, I suppose on reflection, when we do look at the goals, are they avoidable? I think they are. But then, like what you've just said, we've got to respect the quality of the opposition as well, you know, and the depth they've got in their squad. So we knew it was going to be difficult, but we had our moments. I think you'd agree. We had patches of play that earned us good territory as well, and chances. But ultimately, that second goal was the sucker punch, really, unfortunately. And it took a bit of wind out of our sails. However, we showed good character then to get back into it in regards to scoring with 5-10 minutes to go and pose more questions as well. So, performance-wise, it was there. Probably not over the 95 minutes, but in patches it certainly was.
There's another fantastic 3 points, but Colwyn Bay at times made it hard for you.
Yeah, they're going to, because they've got a really, really strong squad. And one that we respect massively. I've just said there in another interview, I think they've got threats all over the pitch. Aaron Williams used to be here, he's playing as a right wing back. He got 2 assists last week against Penamont. Ford, Pete, Cyril, aerial threats. Ethan Roberts as a left wing back, massive threat, pace, direct. Aaron Edwards, a stalwart of the league. George Hughes gets shots off. Cummins, Davis and Robles up front in the forward area score loads of goals. And then they bring on Aaron Williams, who can also score goals. So yeah, no, really good, strong squad, and Danny and Wildy are doing a fantastic job. But I think a lot of people are starting to respect our side now, so we've just got to keep our feet firmly on the floor.
The past 6 games in the league's been a bit of a stop-start. You win one, you lose one, you win one, you lose one, win and you lose one. So is it that now, just getting a bit of that momentum, just to establish yourself in that top 6?
It is, it's consistency, but it's very hard when you've got other teams taking points off each other, and it's very hard when you know, you see what we've got coming down the line as well. Every team that we playing against are highly experienced Welsh Prem teams and have been in the Welsh Prem for a long time, so, and they know the way around the circuit in regards to how to set up and you know, set pieces, etc. So it doesn't get any easier, and we know that, but we love the challenge, and we've stepped up to the plate on a lot of occasions this season, and we're going to ask the question a lot more out of the lads, and to be disappointed to come to Connah's Quay and get beat by 1 goal where we thought it was always going to be 1 goal in it. We were hoping it was going to be our goal, but unfortunately it wasn't. It just shows you how far we've come now.
You know, 7 wins out of 9 in the league, you know, 9 unbeaten. It's propelled you up to 2nd place and putting pressure on TNS.
It's cemented us into a strong place in the top 6, and that's what we're looking to do. Because I think it's underplayed how much work's gone on in the summer from a difficult season last year. We are still a very, very new group, and I think that showed tonight in regards to, you know, Colwyn Bay have probably, as management staff, been together a lot longer, and as a group in a lot of the main have been together a lot longer. So we're still a new group, and teams are going to pose us problems, and we're now getting used to that as we move forward. So yeah, no, I'm really happy with the 9 games unbeaten. Of course I am, and all the players are. But we've got a very, very busy schedule coming up, starting against Britain Ferry on the 21st of December, and after that it's 5 games in 19 days. So it's very busy for us, and you know, it's all well and good having the 2 games in hand, but you've got to try and get results there against difficult oppositions.